the train have water and cold. And then the train's moving. But it has the other train and it cannot hold on tight. But if it goes on to the hill, the train will come off. The train will come off while it's going along. And next, boom, it's moving, and next, it's just breaking the hill. Because Percy is pushing him. And next, boom, he just fell down. Because he thought he was pushing. And then, Frankie the train picked him up because he's already from the top. Because the train, and next, he just crashed. And next, he crashed, and next, boom, Ethan Percy is still fine. But Daddy, the train is so dirty, and next your train, and next the train's not moving. So it needs something to do. Like some water? No. Yes, water.
Deandre, why you don't explain how the steam engine works?
Oh, wait, okay.
How does a steam engine work?
It looks like this. So the steam engine needs some water and coal. First, you put the water. And then, it's very positive. But Daddy, if there's something real, and you had the train ran out of water, and then the train is running out of water and coal. That's why the train should move. And next, your steam engine is moving. But Daddy, if your train, if your steam engine is doing like that, one and the other one might pick you up and move you backwards, and next you just came off again. Backwards, so your train is safe. And next you just turn it around because that bridge is dangerous. It might break itself. So it's broken already. And now the steam engine's working. So then he can get out all the coaches. And next, there's no more hot water. And next, they put back the coal. They put coal, and next, they just put water. And when there's more water, next the water seeking, while you are being patient. And next it's walking. So then it's making smoke now. And now your steam engine can go. Pick up your coaches, and next you have to just put it away. Give it to your best friend. All very simple. The end.